Using this website helps you earn over $100 a day, and it depends on that. When you play games, you earn money. The name of this website is gamecash.gg. To sign up, click here. Fill these simple information like username, email, password, and click sign up. The balance here is counted as 1 coin is equal to $1 to earn from this website. Go to offers, and here are many offer walls that you can earn from. For example, time wall, click here. You will need to sign in into time wall. You must use the same Gmail you use to sign up into GameCash. Here you can find different tasks as games, and as you play games as you earn money. Make sure to read the description of each game very well. The second way to make money on this website is the affiliate. Click here. Here you can copy your referral link and send it to your friends and relatives. And when they play games on this website and earn money, you get a commission. It's awesome. This website allows you to withdraw your money through different payment methods. Don't waste your time and turn your gaming time into money. That was everything. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video. Goodbye.